You weren't distant, you weren't a statue on a hill. You felt it all, the weight of the grief, the sting of the loss. You cried with us. I see you standing at the edge of the grave, where the dust meets the end of the line. The king of the ages, the author of life, stepping into the limits of time. You knew the ending, you knew the result. You knew that the stone would be moved, but still you let every tear hit the ground. With a love that had nothing to prove, you didn't just fix it, you didn't just act. You sat in the middle of the pain, the God of the thunder, the God of the stars, feeling our sorrow like rain. Oh, the sorrow of a friend. You felt it, you really felt it. You looked at the city, you looked at the crowd, and your heart began to break for the sheep without a shepherd, for the lives that were only a mistake in the eyes of the world, but not in your eyes, no, never in your holy sight. You saw every burden, you saw every fear in the middle of the darkest night. You didn't come with a gavel of stone, you didn't come with a sword of fire. You came with a touch for the leper's skin, and a love that would never tire. You're the God who is moved by the cry of the weak, the God who is close to the low. And the deeper the valley, the harder the climb, the further your mercies will go. They go all the way to the bottom. Oh, the heart of my Jesus, the soul of my King, the comfort that every tomorrow will bring. You weep with the weeping, you hold every tear. The God of all glory is standing right here. He's close to the broken, he's right by your side. It wasn't a show and it wasn't a mask, it was the truth of who you are, the one who can heal the deepest of wounds, while he's naming the furthest of stars. You know what it's like to be lonely and cold, you know what it's like to be tired. You've walked in our shoes, through the dust of the road, through the life that the Father required. So I don't have to hide when I'm falling apart, I don't have to pretend I am strong. I can run to the heart of the one who is kind, to the place where I've always belonged, in the arms of the man of sorrows, in the arms of the God of joy. Oh, the heart of my Jesus, the the soul release. He's not far away, he's not looking down. He's walking with us on the dusty ground. Jesus, Jesus, the heart of God, the heart of God, the heart of God. You are the comforter, you are the healer, the great sympathizer, the soul's revealer. You're moved by my weakness, you're moved by my pain. I'll never be lonely ever again. Jesus, Jesus, thank you for the tears, thank you for the heart. Oh, some of you think he's disappointed in your grief, but look at the grave of Lazarus. He wasn't disappointed, he was weeping. He's right there in the hospital room, he's right there in the quiet house. He's the God who has a heart, he's the God who has a name, and his name is compassion, his name is mercy. Oh, the heart of my Jesus, the soul of my King, the comfort that every tomorrow will bring. You weep with